Hello friends, welcome back to Price and Pets Club. Alhamdulillah, our another big shipment safely arrived at Lahore. Look at this beauty, British short hair, extreme quality females. This one Scottish Fold boy. Look at this beauty, round face, and this one white Alabai girl, show quality.